what we're changing today. I've never seen one this old. There's the power.
Oh, this thing's still young. I haven't been in here.
It's a maybe an 81. All right.
This is my favorite job now.
Yeah, you should be in heaven in here. This is gonna be exciting. All right, well, let's get some pipe wrenches and some ladders, and we need to find the switch for it. The breaker box is behind that door, and we'll get this one taken out. Power.
Pull out the number 2 fuse.
Unscrew it.
Oh yeah, unscrew it.
Make sure. We're good there. Valve. I'm gonna keep that. So the stack wire is right here. And this is our breaker box. This is the one I took out. I don't know if a 30 is necessary. Probably a 15 would do just fine. So it looks like this has a valve on it. Also, it has to be turned off. So it's on the incoming side of the gas line. I gotta figure out how to turn. There we go. Now it's turned off and I can take it out. And then we got these that are holding it in, one in the front and back. Goes to these little nuts right here. There's no money inside. Alright. Take that off to get to that nut. So we'll have to fit somebody back here, somebody on the front, and somebody under it. And let it down.
Yeah, you can get under it. Nose goes about eggs.
Well, I'm gonna pull rank here. Don't look too bad.
You know, this might just take it out.
Alright. There's that. You need to put your hand under here. If this slides, you're going to slip. Dang, wide open.
Didn't go in the hole if it had yard. Have to stand there and wait online to get the hell in and get the
Okay,
hell
it's about to
out.
go, so. It's
I got it. No way, I'll carry the whole thing. Alright, we got a new valve on. We're gonna get rid of these. Put some all thread across here and hang the new one. This is the exhaust right now. I don't know why they did that. We're just getting the right piece for it. All this right here should have been replaced. And the right kind of rain cap put on it. Alright, since it's just a switch, your lights just get hooked together. And your two hot wires will be on the side.
Not to be in the dust.
I am.
Grab all thread.
We got our switch in. And everything ready to hang it. Ish. Get the air strap hung. New stat wire ran. These all secured on here. Alright, it's going to hang right up here. Oh yeah, and they're letting us use their little fork truck. Or, I guess that's what you would call us. Hand fork truck, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm the only one with a I was not the only one with a prepared speech, but I was the best one. Oh, we're gonna sit on the forklift, I'm sorry. I don't know, I won't. Yeah, I showed up in a suit. My speech had humor in it, and I handed out candy. Completely missed the steel part of my steel toe here.
Okay, now we'll try to rise it and see if it.
See if it what?
See if we can handle it. It can handle it.
What you do?
You gotta actually like.
Oh man, we need to be.
Either way. Look at that. Beautiful.
Max right there.
Sweet.
Hold on. It's really,
It doesn't like to stop on a dime.
the turtle is very fast on this thing.
I want to see it in the rabbit, I'll be honest with you.
I'm in
We
danger.
could probably just tilt it on here and then lift it up.
As close as you can to that table.
That's as close
Okay,
as I
now
can get.
you just go straight towards me without killing me.
It'll be fine.
And still okay.
I mean, it got us a head start. We just got to get it from there.
Get the labor savers.
This is what we're going to use. The labor saving arm.
12. That's exactly what we need.
I think 12 inches is too big personally, but that's just me.
She's not entertaining.
No, she's not.
See what happens.
Flip it up.
Oh, we'll do it at the same time.
Yeah, he's already pumping. You're gonna be fast.
Let us know who's in the.
You guys are staying pretty equal so far.
Looks like it's coming in.
That's because you're going faster. Okay.
I go.
Oh, wait. I'm pumping all the way up.
As far as I can go.
Yeah. That's max for me.
Slide.
19 and a half.
To what? From the wall to
To the actual wall to the corner of the unit.
See, he's like
20 3/4. When you tighten them down on these, you didn't tighten down the same spot on these holes. Like this one's all the way over on this hole, this one's not.
No, that's because the one over here, I didn't go all the way up. So it's some pretty tough, whatever the heck that stuff is. And I don't want all the way up.
I'm just saying if I can loosen
But they're
both of
level
these,
and they're the same distance to the ground.
that's not what I'm talking about. These holes right here.
Yeah.
If I can loosen this up and slide it this way just a little bit, then it'll line up. I like when you can use the fast. Easy.
we're at 19 and a quarter.
Well, let me do this. Just either go forward just a little bit or back.
They gotta get bended in.
Yeah, one of them's gonna happen. It's looking like this one's good. This one should be fine. Just for this one.
If we get 4 in, I mean,
This
whenever I had that one side in, I had all 3 of them in a channel.
All right, we got the high voltage done, the low voltage done. This is hung right this time. It does not, it's pretty sturdy. Doesn't move nearly as much as the other one. Got our switch. We got the gas and the venting and a thermostat to put on. So it's looking pretty good. This one has a control board in it. And it should be pretty simple. We don't any dip switches or anything, except for the heat off delay, so shouldn't be too bad. But that's where we're at. We're gonna get lunch and come back and do the gas and the venting, which is just going right out here. So there we are. We're at the gas connection. Get it put on. Get the vent started. And get the thermostat put right there. Alright, we got our thermostat for heat only. Zach is... You gotta go up higher than that. Hold on, let me come out there. I've already used this can like 5 times. You just put a piece of tape over the end of it. Alright, there's our vent. Got everything sealed up. Alright, so we are done. There's the gas line right there. Came off the street 90 and a little nipple and flex down to this high voltage stat wire. Lock that. There's our venting. So I'm gonna have to do something with that because it's just the spray foam's just falling apart. Alright, so I'm gonna put my fuse back in. There we go. Fuse is in. Let's flip this. That's on. Let me look in here and see if I got any lights. Yeah, that spray foam just falling apart. Our board is lit up. Gas valve's on. I'll do it.
Okay.
Turn it to heat. It's 80 degrees in here, and I set the limit for. Apparently, it was the only one that I didn't try. Let's put 84 for now. Inducer is on. Spark ignition, and it fired up. Now it's just like a regular furnace. The heat exchanger will warm up and then the fan will kick on. fan. Whew. There's the heat. Fan. Let's see what we got.
It's settled.
134 surface temperature. And we got it just keeps climbing, so I would think it would stop around 140, but I do not know. To be completely honest, it's the first time I've installed one of these. But it works. Can you feel it back there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, make sure it doesn't kick off on any kind of limit. And should be good. Got the sticker on there. Ooh, that was hot. Got our switch on there now. Actual switch. I'll have to mess with the breaker box. Our wiring. So I think we're good. So that thing definitely works. From all the way back here, you can feel it. And the thermostat
Smacking that wall and then
is over here. It's already went up a degree or two. I just turned it off. It was already 80 degrees in here.